Darren Butler, and I'm from Winmalee in New South Wales. We'd had a 3.5 kilowatt system since about 5 or 6 years ago. I had sort of been following the evolution of electric vehicles. So the plan was to add more solar to look down the track and potentially charging that vehicle with solar power. Yeah. The service from Penrith Solar was really good from go to woe. Even from the initial inquiry, the way it was handled, I think it was Darren who reached out to me and got back in contact to talk through what I was planning on doing, and to talking through, I guess, we were doing additional, that there was some complexity with that, but it was best to come out and have a look at what we had. What I was pleasantly surprised by was they were pretty quickly able to survey the roof, even though I'd initially only thought I was going to add maybe another 2 or 3 kilowatts. To go with the 6.6 was a no-brainer. And yeah, once I made the decision, the process with the administration part of the business was really good. They rang in advance, booked it in. The guys that came out to site were really good. And then look, we had a couple of issues afterwards. Within the first week, because we had the monitoring, the information was great, but I wasn't really convinced the production was right with the new system. So I rang up, I spoke with Jory. He organised guys to come back 2 days later. They identified a settings change, which they made and fixed that, but at the same time, they identified there was an overvoltage issue, which is on the grid side. Contacted Endeavour Energy, got the job opened, and yeah, that was really good. So yeah, it's been a solid process, it actually has.